In this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix TikTok unable to authorize. Please try again. So the first thing we need to do to fix this is head over to our settings. And then from here, you want to scroll down until you see the option for general. Click on iPhone storage. And then what we can do now is we want to scroll down until we locate TikTok. So if we click on TikTok, that will then bring up this page. And from here, what we need to do is select offload app. Click on offload app and then click on offload app again to confirm this. And then once you have done this, what you need to do now is you want to go all the way down to your app store, search for TikTok. And then once we search for TikTok, you will then need to download and install TikTok again, which will essentially refresh the old app. So what we can do now is we can go over to settings, we can go to VPN. And what we need to do is we want to make sure that any VPN is disconnected on our device, because if you're connected to a VPN, this could be causing the problem that it is unable to authorize. So once you've done all this, you will then be able to head back over to your TikTok app and then log into your account successfully. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix unable to authorize. Please try again on TikTok.